Every commercial building needs a reliable HVAC system to keep the space comfortable for everyone. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your building? Let's start with the most common type, the single split system. This affordable option is perfect for smaller buildings like restaurants, shops, or small office spaces. Next up, we have the multi-split system. It works similarly to the single split system, but can connect up to 9 indoor units with a single outdoor unit. This system is perfect for buildings that prioritize energy efficiency. And finally, we have the advanced VRV or VRF system. This system is perfect for buildings with varying temperature needs, as it can provide both heating and cooling at the same time. Ultimately, the best way to choose the right system for your building is by consulting an experienced HVAC contractor. At Moncrief Heating and Air Conditioning, we have years of experience in all types of commercial HVAC systems. From installation to maintenance, we've got you covered. You can trust us to find the perfect HVAC system for your building. Contact us today and let's get started. Moncrief Heating and Air Conditioning, your trusted partner for all your commercial HVAC needs.